Greetings, Mark Brown here. We want to create a folder on this computer here, and then we're going to create a zip file with the folder. But first, we want to create the folder and put all of these files in it. First, we want to right click, right? As you can see, this is Windows 11. It might slightly different from that of Windows 10. So when you right click, you come right again to new, and go over, you click, and say this itself is the folder. Then you're going to block all of these and just drag them in the folder. So now actually have all of that in the folder now. What we wanted to do is to compress the folder. Alright, when you right click on it, what you might see in Windows 10 is a send to zip. But if you notice right here, it's a compress to. Notice a zip file, save Z file right here, tar file and additional option. So I want to click right here, so I can zip file. So when I click, if you notice right over here, notice this is exactly what it looks like right here. So thanks for watching. See you in the next